Hi. Good morning. Are you ready for the markets? Let's go. Mm. Let me just announce that we are live. Hi. Something told me it had to be you. Hi, guys. Oluwatosin. Hi. You're welcome. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Um, Good to have you guys here. Share the link. Share the link. Let me share on all platforms. Good morning, Faiti Oluwatosin Babanama. Morning. Welcome, guys. Tap the like button. Morning, April. Share the link, guys. Let's go. A very dear friend of mine, I wish I could bring up one of these days, was the first to come to class today. Mm. Share the link, guys, so we can go live. Okay, so I'm just going to share my screen and we get started. Give me a second. Okay. Uh. Baba Nama. Can you guys calm down? Hi, I see you. I see you, Miles. You're welcome. Can you see the screen? So if you can see the screen, you can see me. Just just type some fives in the chat box. 555. So we're just going to start the trading week. Yeah, trading view. All right. So let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. I always start with gold for some reason. All right, great. I'm waiting. I'm waiting on others to join us. Okay, so this is what we analyzed last time, and gold took off as usual. Gold took off as usual. However, I mean, I don't even have to stress, but I'll start from the top. I'll start from the top and we can look at it together. So yeah, because we wanted gold to come down, she did not. She broke above, came into the next fair value gap, took off, gave us a new high, and has been playing around here since then. In all honesty, I would love to see her come here without even stressing my life. If she would come down here, God will help us. So if she would just come down here to the 4538 zone, to the 4538. Good morning, Okuchi. And then, yeah, 4538 zone. That's what I want to see. But you see that gap, the gap is mad. Let me see how it looks on the 1 hour. I hope everybody can see my screen very well. Scary shit. Hold up. Let me just open it more. 30 minutes. Let me see if I can see. Okay. Okay. This is the 30 minutes. Let me see 45. Mm. 30 minutes is better at least. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Don't worry, we'll do I just want to get this one off the way. We can still do top downs. Don't worry. Just give me some time. Yeah, this is what I see. Um why does it look safer to sell than to buy? Yo. I'm just going to pick my fib here. Let me just look at what's going on here. What's going on here? Yeah, it looks safer to sell, in my own opinion, at least into this zone. Okay. With the structure I'm seeing here, yeah, I would love to sell. I would love to sell into the next buy zone. So I'm just going to put this aside. This is still correct, but right now I'm seeing structure form here. Okay. Okay. So, I want to see the market come up to this zone. Let me see the 15 minutes. Okay, so I want to see this market come up here. Give me a second. Let me open it up to see reasons. See that one that was tapped. Kai. Yo, it gave us a new. All right. If that gave us not really a new low, I want to see if she's going to be able to come up again. Yeah, this looks more like it. I'll rather wait for it up here. Yep, I'll rather wait for it up there. There was a fair value gap that was okay, and since then it's been coming down, coming down. Yo, I'll rather wait up here. Okay, I'll rather wait up here. You can tell that I'm very busy. Who is knocking? That one was respected, guys. It was respected. I'm going to be looking at the next zone here. So I'm looking at this zone for it to come back here again. If it's going to sell from here, looking at this zone. In fact, where is that week? Mhm. Yo, the sales are looking crazy. Oh. Kai, 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 Kai. I'm not seeing clear structure. I'm just going to go to another broker. Hold up. Need to get this thing spot on. Let me see my FXCM. That's the one that nearly gave us heart attack yesterday. Didn't hit SL, but yo, he went. All right, so I'm just going to clear this. So I'm going to just look at these guys. I don't want to waste any time since we know, yes, it's bullish, but looks like a retracement is about to happen. Okay. Same thing though. That's a change of character right there. Let me see. Go back to 30. Mhm. Yeah, tapped in there. Give us not really a new low. Yeah, so I want to see this thing come back to this zone. So the 4603. Come back to this area. 4603. In fact, that's what I want to see. This area. I want to see it come back here. I want to see it come back here. Yes, here has been tapped into. But then if we look at, let me come down to the 15 again. Yeah. There's money in the week. Oh, this place looks good though. Why does it look like it's already selling? Aish, it looks like it's already selling, guys. Yo. Hey, yeah, yeah. I want to see it come up a bit though. I want to see it come up a bit, at least back to this zone. I want to see it come up here. So I'm going to use this zone and I'm going to use the top of this zone here. I'm supposed to use the top of here, but you guys will not be able to hold it. That's my fear, guys. You guys will not be able to hold it. I don't know if you can carry it though. So this is the short I'm seeing. I'm seeing a short here. Here, this zone. I want to see it come up. Let's see. Let's see how it looks on the 5 minutes. Mm, 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 I can't shout. I can't shout. This looks good. This looks good. Okay, 5 minutes is clearer for me. I just saw the 5 minutes. I want to see it. Someone said, but please don't abandon your public. Remember your I don't understand you. Movie updates. You will like a wolf too much. I've told you what to do. My VIP is free. So why are you people crying? My VIP is free, but no, you people don't want to. The only people is not free for are the people that can't use my chosen broker. That's all. And it's not even expensive. Why are you crying? All right, so this is what I see. Hey, are you sure this thing has not started like this? Because this is what. Okay. Ooh, looks like the sale has started, guys. Yo, yo, yo. Yeah, that was the entry there. But I want to see it. Let it sweep that liquidity. Let it come up small again. Let it come up a little bit more. And I will be happy. I will be happy. Yeah. So I think this is what I see. Okay. Even if it's just to target this low. All right. Uh-uh. Just $40 a month. And you would have made all that money in one day. Okay. There you go. Let me open it wider so everybody can see. That's what I'm looking at, actually. That's what I'm looking at. So, yeah, the 5 minutes looks good. It looks really good. Okay, it looks really good. Yeah, it swept that liquidity though. So just to catch that, yes. That's what I will look at. That's what because I want to see it come down, actually come down some more, which might not happen. So I just want us to catch the closest one. Oh, look at that! Look at that bump there. There's something here. Let's see. Hmm. Yeah, maybe we should just target a 1:3 and rest. Let's just target a 1:3 and rest for God's sakes. How is that? It was harsh. You are crying here. All right, so this is what I'm seeing for gold. Okay, we have to be really, really careful though. I can even see my strategy playing out here. Yeah, my heads and shoulders. Yeah, so this is what I have. I'm just going to put it. All right. Movie update, you're naughty. So this is it. I'm just going to put it here. It's a risk we're gonna take. We're willing to take. So yeah, I like that zone, and that's what we're going with. So sell limits, just sharp sell. Sell limits. 4599, between 4599 and 4598. Yeah, between 4599, 4599 and 4598. Yeah, between there. And I want the SL to just be above here, just above, guys. Oof. I'm trying to see there is not too much. That's already okay. Okay, so let's see. This is what I want. SL. Let me increase that so you can see. Four five six 45602. SL is 45602. Okay, don't over leverage, guys. Everything is risky. Don't over leverage. Just be okay with your listing, I beg. Small, we'll all get there. So because of this, well, that will be our first TP. Let's just pull it. That will be our first TP. This zone here. This zone. So you could take your money at 4584. 45, is it 45? Oh, 4602, sorry. 4602. 45 4589. No, 4585. 4585. We have more TPs down there. Then this one. 45. Trying to make sure it could be precise as possible. 4573. 4573.78. Yeah. 4573. Okay. Finally, you spoke up, 4573.78. Yeah, that's what I like. I like how it looks. 4573.78. That's what I got for gold. Stop loss is it 46? Yeah, it's 46. Okay, I've corrected it. Yeah, 4602. I've corrected it. So yeah, that's what we have for gold. Oh yeah, take a screenshot. Chakam. If you're not in my Telegram channel, you're missing, because this one I'm dropping it now on the Telegram channel. If you're not on my Telegram channel, what are you really doing? So this is what I see for gold. All right, this is what I see for gold. Um, let's pray it holds. It's very close, so go and set it, go and set it, go and set it. Now let's look at another one I love is GJ, but GJ broke my heart today. It went all-time high, and he went all-time. Miles, thank you for that. It went all-time high, and I was like, yo, where are we going to start from with GJ? So let's see silver. For those that have the balls for silver. For those that have the balls for silver, let's see silver. First of all, I forgot. Let's look at the news. Let's look at the news, guys. Please, let's not get so excited. We should look at the news all the freaking time. Every time we go on the ouch 230, we have CPI, CPI 230. Then we have new home sales. That's medium impact. So yeah, okay. GBP is having its time now, right? GBP is having its time now. So if 11 o'clock is 10 o'clock, so this whole thing will be happening by 1:30. Okay. So yeah, by 1:30 Nigerian time, we should be aware of the CPI. Okay. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's see silver. Since silver is the new craze now. Then we'll look at US 30. I've missed NAS and US 30 so much. So I'm going to do top-down analysis for silver. All right. Silver is big. Okay. Thank you so much for the support. I see the likes going up. Thank you so much. You can share the link, introduce your friends and family. It's 52 weeks, 26 weeks, 13 weeks, 7 weeks. Yeah, better. 1 month. Okay, so on the monthly, this might never happen. Might never come back down there. So the weekly, getting to make a bit of sense on the weekly. Okay. Even here said it's in enough full body for here. See, there's a gap as well here. I'm just marking what I see, all right? Just marking what I see. Let's see the daily. Let's see the 12-hour. Well, let's start from that daily. That daily was okay. Okay, so I'm just going to open this up. I'm seeing something here that made sense. So this was a high that was broken here. Well, we don't even have to see. Oga has started taking off from here, so we can't shout. We can't shout. I'm just going to look at this zone here. That's a beautiful fair value gap right there. It's not been touched. Oh, okay. It came in a bit. Okay. So we are seeing the fair value gap, and that babe came and tapped into that. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. 4 hours. It's actually console is ranging right now on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour, this is our okay, chill. On the 4-hour, this is our fair value gap, modified one. There's no fair value gap here. We just see a serious support going on here. And since then, it's not been able to break and close below on this 4 hour. And yeah, this, so the range is between here and here. Okay, this low and this high. All right. Let me see the 2 hour. Now I'm going to be looking for structure in between. Okay. Oops, sorry. I'm going to be looking for structure in between. Okay. So yeah, structure in between. This is the last time. I'm just going to mark it out. Why is silver giving me stress today though? Obviously, yeah, this zone has been holding up. This zone has been holding up. And that zone tallies with that break of structure here. So yeah, that break of structure is not giving up anytime soon. Let's see how it looks on the 1 hour. Well. Now on the 1 hour, we are seeing that possible sell about to play. It's dangerous, but yeah, that's what I see. Let me see 45 minutes. There's something about the 45. Okay. All right. Mm. Okay, so even if you don't want to see it like sales have about to happen, we're just going to see this. Let's just see this like that. Okay, okay, between here and here, something is playing out. Okay, so yeah, so you want to look for a structure, mini structure in this to validate yourself. I'm seeing something, but it's really crazy. It's not going to be for the weak. It's not going to be for the weak. It looks like it's already tapped in there for the sell. Looks like you already tapped in there for the sell. Looks like you already tapped in there for the sell. Yeah, yeah. Looks like the sell already started. Yeah, looks like the sell already started. So very dangerous though, because okay, so looks like, so this is it. Same structure we saw. I'm going to delete all this. Same structure we saw on gold. This is the 30 minutes time frame. I'm going to delete all this. All right. This same structure we saw on gold right now. Okay. And then it came back in there. Now it broke here. Same structure we saw on gold nicely. So yeah, looks like the sell is about to happen. In fact, it's playing at the zone for the sell right now, but like I said, it's for the brave. If you get mind, be my guest. If you get mind, be my guest. So this is the 30 minutes time frame. And she's currently playing at a sell zone. She's currently playing at a sell zone. Silver is currently playing at a sell zone. It's not for children, no. Maybe they say if skin no full, no put body. Silver ain't for kids. It's not for babies. So this is what I'm seeing for the short. You already looks like you already started. So we're not going to over target much. 1:3 because anything can happen in this market. Looks like the sell already started on silver. Okay. Where's the high? All right. So looks like that sell already started on silver. If it goes any higher, better, then you can strike. But I'm not going to. That will be our first TP. Second TP will be here. So to be safe, just take it on the first TP and run away for your life. Because we don't know what this market is unpredictable as it is. So using structure, this will be my next zone for the TP. So I'm just going to put that out. It's already started. The sale already started to me. Um, Yeah. Good morning, guys. So yeah, silver has already started. Silver has already started selling silver. SL, SL 86.213, TP 83.311. Okay, the first TP is here, 84.409. Okay, 84.409, 83.311. Yeah, so we got silver, and she's actually moving right now. How far? Ooh, why am I feeling like gold has left us? I want to cry. Why am I feeling like gold has left us here? Yo, okay. Ooh. Okay, let's see though. Let's see. It took it out, oh, it took it out, it took it out, it took it out, it took it out. I'm just seeing that. It took it out, oh, that's the oosh. Let's pray it hasn't gone. Let's pray it hasn't gone far. Let's pray it is still liquidity. But it's this one is touching me some. It looks like gold has left us, guys. Let me sharp put this one too has moved. Let's move on. I'm just going to be dropping it. If you get mine to jump, but I don't advise it, guys. Let me just hold on. Let me minimize and just put everything in the Telegram channel. Sorry, guys. Um, Gold. Okay, that was 30 minutes time frame for silver. Silver 30 minutes time frame for silver. 30 minutes time frame for silver. 5 minutes time frame for gold. Hold up, let me just dropping this in the Telegram channel. Silver already started. Um, Gold looks like she's leaving us. Let's pray she comes back up. So I've dropped it in the Telegram channel. Okay. Now let's look at US 30 or NAS, one of them. Okay. So I've missed you, NAS. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so we plotted NAS some time ago. Yeah, so that cell, it looked like it's changing because this is since last year. Yo, it's so stressful. This was since last year. Mm, yes, it looks like she has turned on us, like she wants to start buying, or he wants to start buying. Zulu, please, I'm busy. Come back later. Let's look at US 30. Okay, still an uptrend. Still an uptrend. Okay. Okay. Seven weeks. Nice, nice delivery here. Nice delivery. Perfect. I love that. Let's see the weekly, the monthly. Let's see the, gosh, it's okay. That was 7 weeks. Monthly, same thing. Weekly, beautiful delivery going on here too. Let's see the daily. Okay. All right. So clear structure I see now on the daily. Okay. Hold on. They didn't pull back quite well. But such is life. They didn't pull back quite well. Look at that. Let's see the 12 hour. Looking like it's consolidating as well on this 12 hours. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's keep watching. So this is the 12. Let's see 8. Yeah, so I'm seeing a bit of consolidation going on. You can see the equal high here. Let's see the 4. Mhm. One more. So yeah, okay. Small structure going on here. Small structure. Small something small going on here. Okay. Wow. Wow. I can't decipher. I can't decipher. That was beautiful. That was so beautiful. That was a beautiful delivery there. Okay, this is the 2 hour time frame. I want to really stop here. I don't want to go down anymore. Okay. Ay, yeah, that was a smooth delivery, guys. On this fair value gap right there. And there was liquidity. This was solid. This was solid. Yeah. And what did it do? Has it given us a new high? No, it's not been able to give us a new high yet. Yeah, so yeah, I think US 30 is done. There's nothing I can really do here right now. Um, if she gives us a new high, all the best. Somebody will say, it's not good enough, but let's see something. Let me just drop down 30. Let me see something. Yeah, so this place looks good. Yeah, this looks good to continue the buy from what I see. All right. Yeah. Okay, so this is what I see for US 30. But this news coming up, if you just drop because it has some imbalances down below, Sha. Yeah, so this is what I see with US 30. Hopefully she delivers before the news. If not, we are messed up. Hopefully she delivers before the news. If not, we're done. So I don't know what the news has in store, but I like this setup. It's clean enough. It makes sense. I see trend. I see break of structure. I see something that is just continuing upward. Um, that's what I see. Um, yeah, clear as day. This is what I see. Okay. But you see this long week here is a problem. It's a serious problem because this thing can decide it wants to. Hey, so but if it takes you out, just take it like a man. If it takes you out, take it like a man. But I'm expecting this zone, this beautiful order block to hold. Okay, I'm expecting that beautiful order block to hold. If it doesn't, mm, then we are toast. We just wait. But yeah, I like that zone. That zone looks good. This zone looks good. So this is it for US 30. So yeah, let me see the people that came in first. Tosin, Faithy, Babanama. I think I already did it for Babanama. He wanted gold straight up. So April, Brando, Faithy, Olua Tosin, and April Brando. What are your assets? GU. Okay. Who else? Tosin. Only Tosin. Nobody should come and cry. Oh, when I just do only that one and go and sleep. Can shout. TP is definitely 49. 49 what? 49. Hold on, let me just get something. 49,633. Okay. So Tosin says GU. I need Tosin. I need Faity. I need April Brando. All right. Okay. Okay. So So I'm going to the Telegram channel to just dump this there. All right, there. GU, let's see GU. I'm just dropping it immediately so I don't forget anyone. GU. I didn't know I already did GU. Yeah, she's obviously buying, actually. Decided to come to the last, take out that, decided to take that out. Yeah, so this would have been the deal. So yeah, GU is already going up, actually. We didn't take it, but yeah, GU is on its way to the top right now. Um, I'm not going to waste any much time. Let's just look at it from what I already analyzed before. So it took out that, obviously. Let's see it on the 4 hour. Okay, yeah, that's what happened. Took that out. That was pure liquidity on this side. When it tapped, couldn't break. Ooh, okay. That was why I hit SL, because I was wondering what happened. So let's do it from the top. Let's do it from the top. Let's do it from the top. Let's do this one from the top. Okay. Somebody just crying that they just blew their account. Everything. Yo. Okay. That zone. Yeah, I want to see it coming there. This zone. Or remember, this is still the very high time frame. Oh. This is the yearly. So just calm down. Just look at, that's how I do a top down, especially if I've not opened that particular asset. I like to see, and that's beautiful. I like to see everything holistically, what is going on. Okay? All right. Righty. Okay. This thing is still going up. Oh. Although it appears to be like it's on a, because if you follow this trend like this, yes, it's looking like it might not go in there, but very deceitful. Now, this is where we need to compare the DXY and what's going on with the pairs. Okay, this is where we need to see what the DXY is doing. This is where we need to see what the DXY is doing, because people that are not going to see the holistic view, they'll be looking to sell. You see, and it's not wrong for them, but we know what we are seeing, and definitely that sell will just be a pullback. You see, that could just be a pullback. Let's see Yeah, I would rather be buying though. That was a beautiful. So on the monthly, that was a nice delivery on that Fair Valley Gap right there. Okay, my time is up, guys. Almost up. Let's see. All right. So I'm just going to continue to see what's going on here. This is the weekly. Let's see the daily. It's still bullish to me, yo. Still very bullish to me. Got that delivery here. A beautiful delivery. Okay. Okay. It's bullish, so we're not going to look for any other thing to do than to be bullish. Yep. Right now, there's a stop zone here giving it problem. Mm. Question is, yeah, it's actually rejecting on that zone. Candles and wicks everywhere. I'm not seeing nothing on this thing. I'm not seeing nothing. Let's see the 15 minutes. Yeah, that rejection is something. That rejection. I'm not interested though. I want to buy. I want to buy. So, yo, yo, ah, 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 ah. So let's assume this thing wants to continue the buy. Okay. This is even the 15 minutes. Yo, everything is looking real funny, to be honest. But I'd rather buy, and what I'm seeing is not looking nice. GU. There's a reason I'm staying away from all of them. Yeah, so let's see. I'm not interested in trading this shit. It's everywhere though. Looks more like your accumulation happened, breakout, continue the high. There's this large fair value gap it taps into to continue. I wish, yo. So there's really nothing I see on GU except that yes, we know it's buying. Now it got to a problem here. Okay. It's trying to retest the broken trend. Okay, for those that do trend, I'm not a very good trend person. Mm, trying to retest the broken trend. I just see accumulation happen here and breakout of the I see a breakout of this accumulation retest. It went higher. The next thing to do is look for how to continue higher. But yeah, that zone is pulling it down. And the only thing I can see it do is, let me just use my feet. I can't shout. GU is not looking clean. This is not the kind of thing. I'm not interested in this type of thing. No, G is not looking clean. We know it's buying, but how do we get in for the buy? We'll have to just. I like that fair value gap there. I like that fair value gap there. That fair value gap there looks nice. So I would love to see sweep liquidity come into this fair value gap here, and let's see, because there's still structure in that there. So let me see. It's a risky one. I'm not posting it in my platform, but at least I've done the job. Yo, what's happening? Okay, finally. Yeah, I'm not really feeling that, really. I'm not feeling it. Yo, I want to see it even take out the next high there. Take out everything at once. So yeah, this is what I see. It's like a 1:3.5. Okay. Gold is gone. It's fine. Yeah. All right. I love you guys, and I have to go. My time is up.